What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I will be unboxing my winter Walmart beauty box. Now, I haven't gotten this one in a while. I don't know what happens with this one, guys. I think they made some changes or something like that. So, I feel like they just send it to me whenever they feel like they want to send it to me. I don't know. And then they have all my billing information hasn't changed. So, I really need to go onto their website and see what's different about this box because I think some things were changed or something like that. I don't know. If you guys know, just comment below. But I don't even know how much this one is anymore. I think it was like $6 something. I can't remember. So, at any rate, let's go ahead and unbox whatever they sent to me. Okay, guys, so here's my box, and I love how they label them now. Like this says winter 2022, so you know that this was the winter box for 2022, and that's what they sent to me. Because like I said, they just randomly send me stuff. This is supposed to be a seasonal box. You're supposed to get it each season. But for me, I feel like they skip seasons, so I never know when or if I'm going to get one, so whatever. At any rate, let's take a look at this. It says Winter Wonders, Walmart Beauty Box. Guys, this is one of my favorite boxes. I'm not dissing the box in that respect. I just wish that they would send it to me consistently. That would be helpful. So anyways, here's a list of, I think, things that you can get. I don't think that they necessarily put everything that you did get, unless things have changed again. I don't know. So anyways, I'll look for the stuff as I unbox it. Yeah, I get one of these all the time. I usually give them to my sister. It's an energy multiplier in yuzu pineapple. So yeah, this is definitely not something that I will use or that I want or anything like that. So we'll set that aside. Ooh, that looks pretty. Wow. Hey now. So this they packaged up really nice so that it wouldn't leak all over all the other stuff that's in here. Let's see what it is. Authentic African black soap for all hair types. Eucalyptus tea tree all-in-one liquid soap. Well, that's interesting. I mean, yeah, I don't know, guys. This is interesting. So here, I'm sorry. I'm like checking it out and checking it out and checking it out. I'm not showing it to you guys. But yeah, let me, oh, wow. Hold on, guys. So it's the first one on here. So the value for this product in the full size is $15. And they sent me 2 fluid ounces as the sample. And it's a vegan based for hair and skin. Oh, so this is for your hair and your skin. I'd be interested to see how it acts with my skin, how it acts with my hair, quite frankly. So I'm definitely going to try this, and I'm very surprised about it. They sent something that actually pertains to me, which is very interesting, because usually they don't. So, hey, that's awesome. All right, what else is in here? So I have Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Okay, who doesn't need this? I'm sure that this is a sample, and it is on here. So the full size is 16 fluid ounces for $14.12, and this is a sample at 0.5 ounces. Okay, that's fine. I'll stick it in my purse or what. I really don't have a purse, but I'll stick it in my pocket. I don't really like to carry purses. And ooh, Edge Fixer, Maximum Hold and Grape. Edge Fixer Glue. Okay, what? Okay, Walmart. I see you. What the heck? That's awesome. I'm guessing, this is a Kiss product. So it just says Kiss Assorted Hair Product. I got one that actually pertains to me, which is really cool. This is a full-size product, and it is $3.69. 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. Yeah, this is a full-size product, so that's pretty cool. All right. Hey. All right, Walmart. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what this is. Whitening strips. Okay, I've never tried whitening strips before. I'm not saying I don't need them. I've just never tried them before. This is Luminex. You get 4 strips, which is 2 treatments. So I guess that's for the top and the bottom. The value for the full size is a 14 count for $30. So, I mean, hey, I'll give it a try. Why not? It's not going to hurt. What is this? Oh, we got another vitamin thing. This one is for hydration and cellular transport technology. I actually could use that, but I won't use it. So I'll give this to my sister as well. So there you go. And then I got this. This is the most surprising thing I got that I find very interesting. So it is a wrap scarf. I don't use these normally, but this is really pretty. I'm not knocking it, but check it out, guys. That is pretty awesome. And it does not look like, no, this product is not listed on the little form, but they do have something here that says, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Well, that's pretty cool. And they're right. I do love it. Like I just said, I don't wear scarves, but we're going to check this out real quick. So let's just really quickly, Let me check this out because I'm very curious about it. Okay. So here it is, guys. Oh, all right. All right. Guys, this is really pretty. And it's like stretchy. Look at that. So guys, I mean, it's beautiful as a wrap scarf. But I think I'm going to DIY with it. I love this material. I love the fabric. It's stretchy. I think I can do something fun with it, guys, because I won't wear it as a wrap scarf. I'll be honest, guys. I just won't do that. But that was really cool. I'm glad that they sent that to me. I think it's pretty awesome. So, guys, this was my Walmart beauty box. This is a seasonal box, and I honestly can't remember what the cost is. I don't know what they took out of my account. I know it's a minimal cost, but I don't know what it is right now, and I think some things have changed with it. So I will be going on their website to check out what's going on since they actually sent me a box, which is pretty exciting. So I have a link to their website in my description box below for those of you who are interested and or don't really know anything about this box. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is the Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my, what is this? Winter. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is the Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my, I want to say like November, December, whatever, you know what I mean? But it's winter. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so here's the box, and I love how they're labeling it now, like how it says beauty box, you know, winter, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Does it say 2022? Well, yeah, I guess winter would start in 2022. Okay, try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my box, and I love how they label them so that you know what you're getting and when it's from. This was apparently the winter box for December, Let's try it